Hey people, so off late I've begun to do a lot of meditation and all, and it's really helping, it helps sort out these certain things that keep playing on one's mind and all of that. So, as of yesterday, I also finished reading this book called Maybe You Should Talk to Someone by Laurie Gottlieb, and it is a 400-page book. Um, but I'll be honest, yeah, maybe you should talk to someone is all about a therapist visiting a therapist, uh, so I just very recently I did the review of her previous book called Mr. Good Enough, which I really liked. So this book is nice depending on what you expect from it. So um, I mean, like I like the humor that the writer is able to. She's Stanford educated, so it's just quite amazing. But generally, the whole idea of going to therapy, where you are sitting and talking about your life's problems, that idea I find odd. Yeah, I mean, I think all the life's problem solutions you can find within yourself. You don't need to go and meet someone and all of that. Anyway, that's what I feel. And like I said, meditation is the key. So, all the same, a book like this uh, should be read so that you know the kind of problems people have in the world. She's spoken about a whole range of people who've, you know, seen some very difficult times. So, reading a book like this gives perspective. So, do try and read it, people. It's called Maybe You Should Talk to Someone, and you can find this book on Amazon. So, on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.